Good morning, students. Geography, Chapter 3, Minerals and Power Resources. Today we learn the under the head non-conventional sources of energy, geothermal energy. Geo. What the mean geo means? Earth. Geo means earth. From the earth we get energy is called the geothermal energy. The heat energy obtained from the earth. Heat energy obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. The temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily as we go deeper. What is the meaning? As we go deeper inside the earth, the temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily as we go deeper inside the earth. The temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily. बढ़ता है जैसे हम अर्थ के इंटीरियर में डीपर में जाते हैं, डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ, द टेम्परेचर इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ राइजेस स्टेडीली. तो वहाँ बढ़ता है, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है. समटाइम्स दिस हीट एनर्जी में surface itself in the form of hot springs. Hot springs. In the form of hot springs, these heat energy can be used to generate power. These heat energy can be used to generate power. So how we get the energy, geothermal energy? It is heat energy obtained from the earth. So how we get the heat energy from the earth? As we go deeper inside the earth, the temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily, and it will sometimes this heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot springs, and this heat energy can be used to generate power. Geothermal energy in the form of hot springs has been used for cooking. The geothermal energy from the hot springs can be used for cooking, heating, and bathing for several years. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plants, followed by New Zealand, Ireland, Philippines, and Central America. In India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Koga Valley in Ladakh. The USA has the world's largest geothermal power plants, and from USA, another followed by the New Zealand, Philippines, and Central America. These countries also followed from the USA the geothermal energy power station, Central America. And in India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. In India, where the geothermal energy plant located Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh, and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Now we have one here, the figure 3.20. Here is we have A and B. First we see the A, geothermal energy in Manikaran. In India, located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh, geothermal energy. Here is the figure source, geothermal energy. And B, cooking food with the help of geothermal energy. Cooking food with the help of geothermal energy. Generation of geothermal energy. Here is the diagram. Here is nuclear crack, steam, well, watcher, generator, turbine, geothermal energy. Now it is very much clear with the how we get the geothermal energy from inside the earth. We get the heat energy. And this is used for different ways. Again we have advantages and disadvantages of geothermal energy. And first we see the advantage. Clean, eco-friendly and always available. It is always available. Water, it cannot, rainwater and in the seawater cannot get adjusted. It is always available. Clean, eco-friendly. It's clean, eco-friendly. What are the disadvantages? Located far away from cities. Main disadvantage is located far away from the cities. Geothermal plant you see where it always far away from the cities and so costly. So it is very costly. It is costly to transport the electricity. To transport the electricity. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the geothermal energy? So you can write it is always available and it clean the eco-friendly. And what are the disadvantages? It located far away from the cities, and so it is costly to transport the electricity. It is very costly to transport the electricity. One more non-conventional energy, biogas. All of you have heard the word biogas very many a time. Organic waste. Organic waste such as dead plant and animals, material, animal, dung,